Welcome. In this session, we are going to learn a grep command. Grep command is used to search the patterns that provides for the users and print the lines which that patterns contain. So here we are going to take the examples of the varlog messages file, and in that files we are uh, search the some patterns. So first we will see that we are in that var log directory, and in this log directory we have multiple files available. So from here we can take any file where we want to search the patterns. So in your case you can use some configuration files as well to check the what parameters are configured in that configuration file. So here I am using the log files. So first, I'll tell you the grep command. The grep command can be used with the two ways. Like first, we can do the reading of complete file, and then using the pipe symbol, we can use the pattern. So in this command, I'm first reading all the content of file using the cat command, and then I am doing the pipe symbol for that virtue keyword and searching the virtue keyword on that messages file. So here is the output. So and sometimes we can also execute this command other way, like directly we can do the grep virtue and the file name. This is the more convenient way that using the searches, because in that previous command, in this command, first we are loading complete log file into the memory and then searching the pattern. But in this command we are directly searching the pattern in the log file. So the both way we will get the output. So here all the lines which contains the that word will get displayed on the screen. So here we can also use the multiple keywords, like if you have the more large pattern to search, then we can use the single quotes or the double quotes for the pattern matching. So here we will do mm, May 20. So this way. So this will print the all lines which having the May 20 in that lines. So this way. Okay. I'll show you that will only print the May 20s. So it is actually it is a huge file, so I cannot trace the first match. So let's move ahead. So uh, there are other ways to search the multiple pattern in a single search. It means that there are sometimes we get the requirement to search the multiple patterns at the same time. So what we will do, we will search the pattern grep. For this we have a pattern parameter hyphen capital E. In this we have to use single quotes and open and close brackets, and most important here we are giving the multiple patterns. Like previously I was given that virtue, so I'll use system pipe, and other patterns like we can give activated. Activated, as these patterns are a string, so we need to mention this pattern in single quotes. And most, yeah. So wherever the system and the activated key is present in the file, either one or both. Some some lines have the both keywords, or some line have the only single keyword. So wherever that patterns get matched, it will print all that lines. Likewise you can specify multiple patterns as well. Okay. So now uh, I will show you the another case sensitivity, that the grape virtue messages. So now I will hit the enter first. Yes. So here the virtual keyword was present. Okay, so that's why we are getting that patterns. But if you want to reduce or if you want to minimize the case sensitivity, suppose I have a pattern, uh, and I don't know what pattern stands for. It means that suppose I have the pattern virtue mentor. Let's take this example, virtue mentor. Mm, and I just wanted to put the V in capital format. So grape, I'll do hyphen I virtue mentor. So in this case, this pattern start with virtue sorry, not start with pattern with virtue mentor, but V in capitals is not present. But I have given a hyphen I. Because of that, it's reduced the case sensitivity of the pattern, and it search the pattern for the small v as well. It means that it will search the pattern both capital V as well as small v. Next, we will go to the reverse search. Reverse search. So, what reverse search does, it now I'll get some pattern over here, and for I'll remove this case sensitivity and I'll done. Okay, so now there are no pattern matched in any line with this virtue mentor keyword. So I want this to be reverse. It means that it please print the all lines which does not contain a virtue mentor. For that hyphen v parameter is there. So this will print all lines which does not contain a virtue mentor and the V in capital of that lines. So these are all the lines. We can also get a exact word. Sometimes now if I do the search for the system D, okay, and so grape system D, and then it is in messages. So it is in system, and if I do the same search for system only, then also I'll get the same. But now I want the exact keyword match. I don't want that have some other keyword, other characters in that pattern. So for that, what we will do, we will do here a hyphen w. It means that print only those lines with having the strict system keyword in it. So it's print only the system present in the lines, not the system D lines printed in this pattern. Next, we can also get the count, how many times, sorry, how many times that pattern available in the file. So for that, we'll do C. So total 1608 times that system pattern available under the messages. So here, yes. And if you do the exact match, then only 138 lines available into the messages file. Next, we have the another facility of the grep command is that we can print the after some lines from the pattern. It means that whenever I found the system keyword, or now we will take the different keyword which will be helpful. Yeah, we'll take this info. Okay, okay, we'll take the info keyword now for the pattern searching. Yeah, so grape hyphen a2 a2. Now the pattern will be info and it is in messages. So what happened over here, you can see after getting the pattern, I want that to be print next two lines. So here you can see that uh, here, after patching pattern matching, print the two lines. This one. Okay. So whenever that pattern get matched, print the next two lines. So for the before also we have the parameter like A, we have to do B. So in this case, yes, now you can see here we got the pattern info, and before this info pattern I asked to print two lines. So in this case these two lines get printed before the pattern matched. There is the other way also to print some patterns, that is the pattern should start with a specific word. Means that if I want to print in this log file all logs are there, I'll show you. So it start from the April 29th, okay, and it's have a huge line, then okay, okay, so we'll do what I want print line that start with. So for the start we'll use this symbol, caret symbol, then APR, okay, and then in the message. Okay, so this will print all the lines which start with the some specific pattern. Okay. We can also do the pattern which ends with, means that some pattern that we have grape in this root dot, and that is in end of the line. So message. Okay. So here is the output that will print all the root dot at the end. So this is about the great command. Thank you for watching.